morning, dear students. I hope you all are doing good. Now it's our reading time. So let's read the following sentences. I like. Now what is like here? It's a magic-y word. Here is coming at the end of the word. And what magic it's creating? Making. We are speaking the name letter of I. And we are not speaking the sound of E. My snap. Snap. I like my snap. I and my are your sight words. My. Now what is this? Here C is followed by I. So it's a soft C. City is far. What is far? Your bossy R word. My city is far. Now let's read another sentence. I go to the park. I go to the park. I go to the. The four are sight words. And park is a bossy R word. Yes. Now let's read another sentence. Mom drives the. Now here C is followed by A. So C is followed by A. So it's a hard C. Car. Mom drives the car. Now let's read our last sentence. Kim has a truck. Now here in the word truck, sound is after a sound. So we are using CK at the end. Okay. Enjoyed your reading. Bye-bye. Take care.